Welcome to ChinaHorticulture.net. We are going to be looking briefly at the ability to build plant lists and how to add plants and develop plant lists. Everything is project area based, so the concept is you add plants to projects and areas. Therefore, different projects and different areas of those projects have different plants in them, obviously, and the system allows you to have hundreds of different species per area and different areas of a project making up the total project. So the first thing you want to do is to set up projects, which we showed in the previous tutorial, and once you have your project defined, you then add plants. So the first thing you do is you go through and you search for plants you want, and that is very straightforward. Now, I can input plants into my projects in two ways. One, I can do it through this window, the search results window. So I could select, oh, I like this plant, I want this plant, and I want this plant. So I've selected those plants, and I can select the project. So we have the lake project, and I can set what area it is in the project or sub-area. Now the key thing here to know is that you have to put this into an area or a sub-area. So I'm going to put those three plants into the lake park, into the west area front entrance, and I'm going to click add the selected plants, okay, and those have been added. So those are actually now in that project, in those areas. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is I'm actually looking at the detailed plant page information. And at the bottom of the page, you will also see the same thing where I can select the project, and I can select the area, and I can add it to that area. So those are the two ways of adding plants to a project area. Again, they can be done in this case in a single way, or as we previously showed, in multiple, you're adding multiple plants. Now the other option you have for this is you can also build, these are adding to projects, you can also add to your favorites. And favorites we use as a way to use personal plants you're interested in or you use a lot in your work, and you can have a favorite list. So I can also do the same thing, select that, and I can add those to your favorites. Okay, and you will see plants marked with a favorite have a star next to them, and if I go to my favorites list, you'll see those plants in there. So those are the ways of actually building your lists. Then to actually see your lists, you go to your projects, and you can see what plants you have selected for that project, that area, or for the whole project. So that's how you add and build plant lists and how you see what's in those plant lists. Of course, you can also remove plants. I don't want that from this project. So that all gets removed, and very simply done. Okay, so that's it today. Thank you.